Good job, left hand. Poked it in my eye. Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, I am shooting a video after like such a long time. Before I tell y'all what today's video is about, let me tell y'all that there's a lot going on right now, guys. So as y'all know, I had gone to Europe for a trip, and
then after coming back, I had quite a lot of content to make. I had like 4 vlogs, but then I haven't posted any of that yet because I've been extremely busy.
I promise I've not been lazy.
So where do I get started with? Oh, by the way, I have a slight cold. I had a fever from the past 2 days, and also I have sprained my hand.
I've been making a video is because I've been extremely busy. After coming back, I had my exams, and then I have a couple of projects I'm working on. Y'all will know about it eventually. Any which ways.
I made like 4 vlogs, and before Europe I had shot like 2 videos, and after that I shot another vlog,
which by the way I haven't posted yet. And don't worry, all the vlogs are coming up. I've sprained my hand and I can do nothing now. I cannot go to the gym, I cannot go for gymnastics, nothing. Everything is stopped for a month. I cannot sit without doing anything. I need to do something. I was like, you know what? Since I'm free, I don't have anything to do, why not film a video? And of course, if I have to film a makeup tutorial, and how the hell am I gonna do that? But that is it, guys. I have sprained my right hand and I need to film a makeup look. So why not take the opportunity and do a challenge? I mean, y'all know how much I love challenges, right? I haven't done anything crazy in a while now, so I think I need to do something crazy. It's the festive season, guys, and I was like,
I need to do a few makeup videos. I need to create a Diwali look, a Halloween look, and a fall makeup tutorial. These 3 things were going on in my head, and I was like,
I can't do anything right now, but you know what? Let's take this opportunity to do that with my left hand, because hey, why not? Let me tell y'all that out of the 3, I picked the Diwali makeup look because Diwali is closer.
brushes in a really long time. I hate washing my brushes because it's so time consuming and boring, but it's super important. So let's wash my brushes and then dry them, and then I'm gonna do my makeup look using my left hand.
Okay guys, so I am back after washing my brushes. Did I wash my brushes after 3-4 months? No, stop accusing me. Okay, on a serious note, yes guys, I'm washing my brushes literally after 4 months. Thankfully, I haven't used makeup in a long time. So let's get into makeup. Also, by the way guys, in case you didn't already notice, I am back to my old setup. And the very reason I shifted was because this is my private space and I don't want to show that on camera. I don't know, just a weird thing. The lights are not on, excuse me. Maybe I should switch them on. Much better. Let's just get right into the video. I am gonna be using a sheet mask because hey, it's a festive makeup look and I want my skin to be nice and hydrated. And here I am using Tony Moly's avocado sheet mask. In case you didn't already know, avocados are my favorite. This smells amazing. Makes me wanna eat it. I love avocados. So there was no reason for me not to pick this mask. Okay, I think I'm not gonna use this hand, but hey, how do I do this? I think this should be allowed, right?
Okay, now I'm gonna use this hand from now.
Oops.
I tore the sheet mask, guys! Okay, I literally cannot talk, so I'm gonna see you after 20 minutes.
It's been 20 minutes and this is how the mask looks. It's all out. So I'm just gonna take this off, fold it in half and put it on my neck. That way we do not waste any extra serum. Also, it's raining heavily outside. I'm gonna massage the rest of the skin into my serum. I was about to say the rest of my skin into the serum, but I mean the rest of the serum into my skin. Okay, I already love the glow on my skin. I feel my skin already looks a little plump. Okay, so just to make this challenge a little more challenging, I thought of using products that I've never used, which means new products. Just got a bunch of products from Europe.
But however, there's a problem. I don't know if I have full face of makeup. I definitely bought a couple of products, but I'm not sure if I have everything because I was sunburnt and I couldn't buy a foundation and concealer and things like that. I'll see what I could do.
So I'm gonna take my beauty blender, my Sephora foundation. Okay, so I'm not sure how I'm gonna do this, but I obviously can't put this on my hand and I'm not allowed to use this hand. So I guess, oh, I forgot priming and moisturizing. So I got this from Austria.
I'm not allowed to use my hand to open, right? Okay, got it. I'm a pro.
But how do I use it? This smells great. And even the avocado mask, it really smells great. It's like so good. It smells like a really nice shampoo. It hydrates my face well. It doesn't make it too oily. I think it's perfect for oily skin. It just gives you that boost of hydration.
So next I have this Benefit professional primer.
I'm gonna use my legs, guys. Ow, I can't. How do I open this? I cannot open it. Okay. Guys, it's new. I cannot help it, but I had to use my hand, guys, to remove the cap. I'm generally supposed to warm a primer between my fingers, but no using this hand. So I think I'm gonna warm it like this.
And for my Sephora foundation, I'm still gonna use this. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. I literally am blind because I need a mirror.
Okay, so I have a mirror right here. It's broken on the other side, so I'm gonna hold my mirror with this and I'm slightly gonna start blending it. I feel my pores are definitely smaller. I can barely see it. But guys, this feels so wrong. I can't do my makeup. This is gonna take a lot of time, so let's cut to the good part.
I think I'm all done. Literally, I think I'm dragging my face a little too much. I don't know, but this definitely took me a long time.
Next, I am gonna use some blush on and some contour. I do have a lipstick, a pink lipstick, which I can use.
I got this from Italy. This is the MAC Powder Kiss lipstick in the shade Rouge Lèvres. I don't know, it's Italian. So, yeah, it comes in a packaging like this. Not the general MAC collection that I've seen.
Focus, camera, focus. This is one of those shades which I thought I should buy because I don't have it, but also at the same time it makes my skin look a little washed out. So I'll show you what I'm talking about. It doesn't go well with my skin tone. So yeah, and also guys, I forgot that I'm using my right hand. Oh my god, that's so dumb of me. To destroy this lipstick.
I don't think this lipstick is that pigmented though, or maybe it's the shade, I'm not sure.
I'm gonna use my beauty blender and blend. Hey, I don't think it's that bad till now, but coming to the eyes, that's the fun part. I think I'm gonna mess up my eyes. Okay, maybe it looks a little too chalky.
Because the concealer is a little too light for my skin tone, more than 2 shades. And I generally prefer sticking to 2 shades lighter than my skin tone for concealer, so that it highlights my face. Foundation, exact skin tone. I do not like going too light because it just makes your skin look chalky.
Okay, so because I'm going for a festive makeup look, that is the reason I went for a blush in the first place, or else I would be completely fine with skipping a blush because I like the light bronze effect as well. But since this is a festive makeup look, I think a blush is a must.
Drag this a little, okay, because dabbing is taking a lot of time. I know it's gonna move the product, but
hey, what can we do? I am gonna set my face first because I don't want the product to move. I am gonna set my brows and another product by Benefit, the Benefit Goof Proof Mascara. Okay, so here we go.
Also, why isn't my camera focusing on my face? My face, camera, my face.
I'm done with my eyebrows. I'm gonna set my face. I've got this MAC Fix Plus setting spray over here.
Whoops, how do I use this? Like how? Okay, got it. What? It doesn't split. This is my second bottle of Fix Plus and the other one was from India itself and it was acting normal. This is not normal.
I don't know. I'm probably just gonna spritz it over here on my beauty blender and just set my face like this. I'm gonna move on to my eyes now. As I mentioned, it's a festive makeup look, so I don't know what makeup look I should go for, but this is a palette I bought in Germany. It was like €6, €6, which is 6 into 85, less than 500 bucks. I mean, the colors are great. This reminds me of Colourpop, by the way.
I'm gonna be starting off with a brown. My brush is still wet. I hate it.
Guys, I'm using my right hand again.
Okay, so I have applied brown as a transition shade and now I am gonna apply this blue shade. It's not green. I do not like green. I do not like green. This is like a bluish shade. So I'm gonna apply this on my lid and smoke it till the brown. Take it easy, Afreen. Take it easy.
Okay, I'm good. And then I'm gonna take this shade and then smoke out the outer corners. Okay. All the best, Afreen. Now, I'm gonna take this shade right here. Focus, camera. Okay, so this blue shade right here. And I am gonna apply this on my lid. How about applying a pop of yellow? I mean, I love that, but this is a Diwali makeup look, so I'm gonna keep it festive and go in with a silver on my inner corner.
Guys, when I was traveling, I did not want to do any makeup. I wanted my skin to breathe and going in with a heavy eye didn't really seem practical except for when there were parties. I used to do a smoky eye, which was only twice by the way. But apart from that, I was pretty chill, so I didn't really do a lot of makeup. But one step I always did was applying some inner corner highlight and mascara. That's it guys, you don't need anything else. Just some inner corner and brow bone highlight, mascara and a lipstick and you're all set.
Inner corner highlight is definitely my favorite step, so I am gonna take this silver shade, this one right here, and I'm just gonna take it and apply it on my inner corners, although I don't know how am I gonna do it with my left hand. Okay, and now for whatever is left, I am just gonna use it as a highlighter. For this, I've actually not taken the same shade over here. As you can see, it's a little different because I have used this pink shade. Okay guys, I still feel so far so good. It could be a little more perfect, but it's still fine. I still give it to my left hand. Good job, left hand. I hurt my hand like 5 times while washing the brushes. But yeah, I couldn't do anything because I had to do it. And I couldn't possibly use dirty brushes on my face because acne.
Now moving on to the next, I still have eyeliner and mascara. Maybe I could just smoke some black, if that makes sense.
Pencil brush. Focus. I'm gonna take this black shade, this one, and I'm gonna apply it as an eyeliner because that's easier. I don't want to ruin this makeup look. Oh, nothing looks like an eyeliner. It's fine, I generally don't use an eyeliner because I've got hooded eyes. Probably all I can do now is apply my mascara and I'm done. got this for something like 11 or 12 euros into 85, and I swear this is absolutely worth it.
I poked it in my eye.
I have a pretty blue traditional dress. I definitely want to change, but it's just a little difficult getting out of this and getting into new clothes. I'm not gonna do my hair or anything because I did this makeup look with great difficulty. I don't think I want to change, but let's do it. Also guys, I really wanted to do something more neutral that will go with all outfits. This is only for blue outfits, and all in all the makeup look turned out pretty cool. I think I did a pretty good job. This was like really hectic for me to shoot, guys. So yeah, I really hope you all like this makeup tutorial slash challenge. This was like too messy for me too, but I hope you all enjoyed this video and I hope you all had a good time. Please don't forget to like this video, share this video, comment down below and tell me how was this. Subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever the vlogs are up. There are quite a lot of vlogs, so I was just editing the Europe vlogs, and that is when I thought about using these products. I don't know, that's crazy. Yeah, I really hope you all enjoyed watching this video. I'll see you all super soon with another one. Until then, bye.